Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about Southwestern Energy Company, ticker symbol is SWN. Now what's interesting about this stock right now is the volume, where the average volume is 22.75 million. Now the last traded volume went up to or as high as 140 million. So there is something specific that's been going on. Overall the stock has been flat, and possibly there has been a trade on both the side. That's why we haven't seen any particular move on a particular side, because the stock was down by 0.88% at the end of the day. Apart from that, you have big institutional ownership of 75%. And the target price we have here is 7.445, that we have to see whether we can rely it or not. Now, if you're talking about forward price to E, it is looking quite reasonable over here, and rest of the things are, I would say, average one, because you have some negative as well as some positive number. And volatility, there is nothing about volatility, because the volatility is not increasing as of now, although the volume has increased quite significantly. Now, and yes, one more thing is the short ratio. We have some short ratio as well, 2.2%, although it is small, but yes, we have. Now, as far as the recent coverage or ratings are concerned, so what we have here, so the recent one as of December 14, 2021 by Wolf Research, and they have changed their rating from outperform to peer perform, and the target price from $7 to $6. And recently, in last month, we have an upgrade by UBS on November 17th from sell to neutral, and they have increased their target price to $4 and $6. So yes, on an average, we can see that the target price, estimate target price, is fine that we have seen. Apart from that, if you have anything else in the insider, yeah, there are some sell transaction that has happened in the month of May itself. So in the last 3 or 4 months, nothing has happened, but there are some sell transaction, and there are huge amount of option exercise happened in the month of February. That's also been seen. What else we have here? So yeah, this is nothing specific about the company, but about the return. So Southwestern Energy shareholders have earned a 54% return over the last year. So this is what we have here, and yeah, this is about the return, so we don't want to go into this. So if you directly go and analyze the chart, we'll get to know each and everything. So let's go to the chart over here, and this is the price chart. So from the lows of, I think, March 2020, here we are. The stock went up by 450%, and currently, even with the correction, it is up by more than 300%. So this is what we have here. And if the trend sustains, now on the longer term first, if the trend sustains above these two specific levels, so you have two important levels on the downside to look at. So here are your important levels which you may consider as your support or stop loss. So if the stock sustains above 3.55 and 3.36, okay, so if it does not fall below these two levels, as this will be a stop loss and support level, we have a range for the time being. We do have a range for the time being, and which will start with 5.71 and can go up to $6.9 or $7. Now, if you want to go for a big target, you can go for the higher end of the range, which is $49 or $50. But for that, the stock required a significant amount of momentum, which is not there right now. So right now it is trading in between $3 on the downside and $7 on the upside. If you go further and look at the current price action, you can see a simple consolidation that's been happening. So this is the daily chart of Southwestern Energy. So what you have here right now, or as far as the trend is concerned, so here we are. So as far as the trend or price range is concerned, this is what we have here. right? So currently it's been trading in between 3.8 on the downside, 87, and on the upside you have 5.8 and 5.9, or probably $6. So this is the current range in between which it is trading. The good thing here is it's been more than 8 to 10 months that the stock has been trading in between a range. So this is a confirmation that we are going in a consolidation, and the trend which has started from the lows of March 2020 has not yet stopped. So it is just a pause in between, and once it started trading above $6, or to be specific $7 or above, we will again have a trend continuation. But for that we have to go through this process, as well as until and unless it falls below $3, because below $3 we do not have any uptrend, because it will be a trend breakdown. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.